Flight records suggest Chris Mnangagwa on a Dubai-bound flight ahead of 31 March demonstrations. Sarabina mashoko anobuda panapa atrikuna agents Christopher Mnangagwa otiza ora pasi nokubazosvika oleka on the belekon. Tipita panapa muzimu ailonyara chiti. Flight records received reviewed this evening show that ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Mnangagwa was aboard Emirates flight EK14 from Lusaka to Dubai, which departed at 21:35 on Sunday, March 30, 2025, just hours before a highly anticipated demonstration in Zimbabwe scheduled for 31 March. The protest, widely seen as a potential flashback in the country's intensifying succession battle, is reportedly aimed at ushering Vice President Constantino Chiwenga into power. Mnangagwa's abrupt exit is sparked intense speculation in political chatter across Southern Africa. The tensions between factions aligned with President Emmerson Mnangagwa and those making Chiwenga reach a fever pitch. Critics have accused Mnangagwa of abandoning ship at a crucial political juncture, with some interpreting his departure as a sign of internal collapse with the Mnangagwa-Siseko. This development comes as Mnangagwa faces mounting pressure over recent incendiary sentiments, factional rifts within ZANU-PF, and the reported disagreements over the security sector's handling of unrest. His political nemesis, General turned Vice President Chiwenga, is believed to be capitalizing on the moment as protest organizers signal an intent to march in support of a transitional authority led by military-aligned elements. No mashwari kubuda panapa atrikuona kuti aiwa Chris Mnangagwa panguva ino wanzi otengesa panguva ino iri very critical orova pasi otiza panapa we receiving information yekuti is landing in Dubai awana 6 AM this morning on the 31st. Panapa atrikuona kunzi Mnangagwa is also yet to issue a public statement. Tudze mafunguro emo tudi pamusoro pechitiko chikina comment section yedu. Tudze mafunguro emo, subscribe or like, turn the bell icon.